I miss her. She was the love of my life. I don't think I'll ever be able to replace her. When I think about it, the times we had, the conversations, the vacations, the ups and downs, the highs and the lows. No one stood by my side more than her. She was, as I said, the love of my life. I can't believe she's gone. It wasn't her time. Why couldn't it have been me? I mean, I was the one who survived that car crash that night. She didn't. If we had only waited 10 minutes before leaving, she'd be alive today. Sometimes I blame myself, but I know I shouldn't. It's easy to, but I've got some healing to do.